Crime. Something which is illegal and which people are punished for. There's too much crime and violence on TV. Criminal. A person who has done something illegal. The criminal will be punished sooner or later. Bribe. Money that is given to somebody, such as an official, to do something. They got a visa by bribing an official. Evidence. The facts, signs, etc. that make you believe that something is true. The detective scanned every bit of evidence. Arrest. If the police arrest someone, they take them away to ask them about a crime. They issued a warrant for his arrest. Suspect. To not be sure that you can trust somebody. I suspect he is a thief. Investigation. The act or process to discover the truth. Last night, the police promised a full investigation. Law. An official rule of a country that says what people may or may not do. Laws grind the poor, and rich men rule the law. Witness. A person who sees something happen. Stephen Smith was a witness of the incident. Interrogation. A process of asking someone a lot of questions. He cracked under interrogation and confessed. Innocent. Not having done wrong. He was found innocent of any crime. Assault. A sudden attack on somebody, something. All three men have denied assault. Murder. Killing a person illegally and on purpose. They denied attempting to murder their friend. Suicide. A person who has killed themselves intentionally. She committed suicide during a fit of depression. Conspiracy. A secret plan by a group of people to do something bad. I suspected that he was involved in the conspiracy. Prison. A building where criminals are kept as a punishment. The thief was sent to prison for 5 years. Prisoner. A person who is being kept in prison. Bind the prisoner arms together. Bail. To let somebody go free on bail. He was released on bail at $1 million. Robbery. The crime of stealing from a place or a person. The bank robbery was recorded on video. Corruption. Dishonest or immoral behavior or activities. She accused the official of corruption. Fraud. Cheating somebody in order to get money, etc. illegally. He was charged with credit card fraud. Legal. Allowed by law. Is abortion legal in your country? Illegal. Not allowed by the law. It's illegal to kill national animals. Guilty. Being responsible for doing something wrong. He was found guilty of murder. Theft. The crime of stealing something. Police punished him for an offense of theft. Kidnap. To take somebody away by force and demand money. He was charged with the kidnap of a 25-year-old woman. Extortion. The act of getting money by force or threats. He was found guilty of obtaining the money by extortion. Narcotics. A legal drug that affects your mind in a harmful way. Police shook down the club looking for narcotics. Enmity. The feeling of hatred towards an enemy. Their friendship was turned to enmity. Insult. To speak or act rudely to somebody. Don't insult the poor people. Dispute. A disagreement or argument between two people. I often dispute against my boyfriend. Rape. To force someone to have sex when they are unwilling. Most rape victims confess a feeling of helplessness. Offense. Used for or connected with attacking. Police punished him for an offense of threaten. Court. A place where legal trials take place and crimes are judged. The prisoner was brought to court for trial. Fine. Money that you have to pay for breaking a rule. He was fined 500 rupees for driving without a license. Lawyer. A person who has a certificate in law. The lawyer proved the innocence of his client. Judge. A person who decides who has won. The judge sentenced the man to 1 year in prison. Confiscate. To take something away from somebody as a punishment. The police have the right to confiscate any forbidden property or houses. Victim. A person that is injured, killed or hurt by somebody. The victim had been beaten with a belt. Revenge. Something that you do to punish somebody who has hurt you. She promised to revenge her dead sister. Rescue. To help someone or something out of a dangerous. He had attempted to rescue the drowning man. Terrorism. The killing of ordinary people for political purposes. Terrorism is a threat to the whole country. Terrorist. Someone who uses violent action for political purposes. He was kidnapped and briefly detained by a terrorist group. Molestation. Touching or attacking someone in a sexual way. Any case of sexual molestation of a child should be reported to the police. Harassment. Illegal behavior towards a person that causes mental or emotional suffering. She suffered continual police harassment.